Namaskar and welcome to the episode 13 of video series DK's Hull. In the previous three episodes, that is 10th, 11th and 12th, we have discussed nitrogen fixing, phosphate solubilizing and potash mobilizing biofertilizers. And interestingly, all these microbial bioproducts contain bacteria as the main ingredient. In this episode, we will discuss another bioproduct, which is largely used as a biofertilizer but also included as biopesticide in the Schedule to the Insecticide Act 1968, and this is a fungus or a mold. Mycorrhiza is the product of an association between a fungus and plant roots. Mycorrhizal fungi have existed since the first plant appeared on dry land more than 450 million years ago. Very long hypha or fine filaments may be associated with a plant growing in a small pot, and it can access water and nutrients from the smallest pore in the soil. Vesicular, that is bladder-like structure. Arbuscular, branched finger-like hypha, mycorrhiza, that is VAM, is formed by the symbiotic association between certain fungi and angiosperm, that is flowering plant roots. It establishes a symbiotic relationship with more than 85% of plant species of agricultural interest. They draw nutrients from the soil that the root system would not be able to access otherwise. In return, the plant provides carbohydrates and other nutrients to the fungi. In low-input agriculture systems, with application of VAM, phosphate and micronutrient uptake increases where soil phosphorus is low. Therefore, it is useful in agriculture, horticulture, afforestation, reclamation of deserts, and even enhances nodulation, that is nitrogen fixation in legumes. Mycorrhiza releases glomalin, that is glycoprotein, that helps to improve soil structure and higher organic matter content in the soil. It also makes the plant resistant against soil-borne pathogens and to other environmental stresses such as drought and salinity. Under controlled conditions, VAM significantly reduces the infection of Rhizoctonia solani that causes plant diseases like collar rot, root rot, damping of seedlings, as well as black scurf of potatoes, root rot of sugar beet, belly rot of cucumber, and also root rot pathogen of peas. Research has shown that plants connected by mycorrhizal fungi can produce and receive warning signals. Especially when a plant is attacked by aphid, the host plant releases volatile compounds that attract the insect predators. In soil that has been disturbed by human activity, the quantity of mycorrhiza decreases drastically. Therefore, it is important to add mycorrhiza in soil to produce a significant benefit on plant growth and soil health. As per our experience, application of mycorrhiza in maize crop has direct effect on increase of root and shoot growth. Average grain yield increases over 4 quintals per hectare. Boldness of grains increases by 9%. Net returns increases by over 12% with a minimum cost-benefit ratio of 1:1.42. Now, due to various benefits from biofertilizers, including VAM, they are an integral ingredient for profitable farming and sustainable agriculture. They help in maintaining soil health and fertility and are allowed in organic farming. Therefore, it is once again suggested to include suitable alternative farm inputs depending upon the soil health and crop suitability, both under open field conditions as well as controlled conditions, that is greenhouses or polyhouses, etc. As regards application of VAM, doses should be decided depending upon the quality of produce, that is number of spores and propagules per gram. For better results, ensure 3 lakh spores per acre. Avoid direct mixing of VAM with Trichoderma species, as it may have some adverse effect on the seed or the seedlings. VAM to be applied in the soil, preferably at sowing or planting. Once applied, it must be ensured that minimum disturbance is done to the root system with interculture and other operations. Thanks. Like the video and subscribe the channel. Share with friends and give feedback so that we can include new topics for further discussions.